What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, it's nasty outside, so I'm basically sitting in my room with a tripod. What we're going to be doing is, you guys sent me pictures of your rides, your trucks, and I'm basically going to be rating them on a scale of 1 to 10, and I'll probably tell you what I would do if it was mine. I've had quite a bit, so what I'm going to do is, I got my phone here, I'm going to look at it, and I'll probably insert the picture of the truck somewhere on the screen so you guys can see it as well. But let's jump right into it. Let me get to where I need to go real quick. The first one is, I don't know if I should put your guys' Instagram name, but it's sent in by Justin Law. And like I said, I'll have it up here. Really good looking truck. I like the lift, the stance, the cowl hood. It's a 79, I believe. Yep, 79. I don't think I'd really change much on this truck. Other than maybe doing like, I don't know what I would change. I like it how it sits, so I give it a 10. I mean, it's a clean looking truck. I like the cowl hood. Gives it a beefier look to it. But yeah, we'll go on to the next one. My phone's being slow, so the next one is sent in by Caleb. It's his 2008 Dodge 3500 with a 6.7 Cummins in it. He said it's got 800 horsepower. It's a decent looking truck. If it was mine, I'd probably change the headlights out and probably black out the grille instead of the chrome. Since he does, it looks like he's got black cab lights on it, I would probably go with the black and red. Like I said, different headlights, and then change out the grille. But overall, I'd give it a 9 just because of those factors there. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is a 98 Chevy Silverado K2500 sent in by Jacob. I like the looks of the truck. That silver paint you got going on, and I like the black Z71 badge. I would probably go like a 4-inch lift though, just to give it a little bit beefier appearance and stuff. But other than that, it's not bad. And then looks like you have factory headlights and taillights. I would probably change those to some aftermarket like LEDs or something. But other than that, not a bad looking truck. I'll probably go with an 8 as well on this one. Like I said, 4-inch lift, but looks good. The next one is sent in by Ryan. It looks like a 4th gen Cummins. Nice ghost trailer with your flipped out tow mirrors, dude. I would probably change out, I don't know if you have factory taillights or if they are aftermarket, but I'd probably start there along with the headlights. Go aftermarket black since you have black wheels. I'd probably give it a little bit wider stance to it. But it's not bad. It looks like you already have tint on your windows. So we'll go a 9 just because, well, yeah, we'll go 9 because I would change out, like I said, wider stance. But overall, it's a good looking truck. So next one is sent in by Dakota. Looks like he's got a square body as well. I'm guessing 84 maybe, 85, somewhere in that area. Looks like it needs some body work, but all square bodies do. I'm guessing probably 6-inch lift, probably 350 in it. I think if you did body work and cleaned it up a little bit, it'd be one hell of a looking truck. I'd probably black out the front end. Looks like you're missing your Chevy emblem, but oh well. But I'd probably go, it looks like it's a blue color, so I'd probably paint it that blue again, black out the front end and the headlight bezels, black out the mirrors. Not a bad looking truck. I'd give it a 7 just because it needs a little bit of body work and stuff, but nothing you can't fix. On to the next one. This is sent in by Mark. He's got, it looks like a second gen gas truck. I'd probably go a little bit wider stance since you do have fender flares on it. Make it poke out a little bit. Go darker cab lights, throw a set of tow mirrors on it, because I'm not a big fan of those mirrors whatsoever. They are ugly. My stepbrother has them on his Dodge. But I'd probably change out the headlights as well. I might even, if you changed out the mirrors, I'd probably color match them red, since the bumper valence there is red, just to kind of tie it all in. But not bad. I'd probably give it a 7. Next one, we got another second gen. Looks like he's got newer third gen style wheels on it. I'm not a huge fan of that. I'd probably go like black aftermarket wheels, maybe like a 16x10 or something, since it is like that dark forest green. Again, I'd probably throw a set of tow mirrors on it just because I hate those mirrors. But it looks like he's got a toolbox, aftermarket front headlights. I'm not sure about tail lights. You really can't see them from the picture, but not a bad looking truck. It looks like it's got some clear coat fade and stuff on it. I'd basically just clean up the paint. Like I said, go black wheels and maybe black out the bumpers and stuff, and the chrome on the grill. But I'll go a 6 on this one just because it does need a little bit of paint touch-up work, and the third gen wheels, it just kind of looks funny. But not a bad looking truck if you would clean it up. Next one is sent in by Wes. He's got a single cab Dodge Dakota. It's a 98. Not a real big fan of small trucks, but these Dakotas are pretty badass because you can, I think some of them came with V8, so I mean, a small truck with a V8 creates power. I mean, you can turn it into speed and stuff like that. But it is red. I would probably go aftermarket headlights and stuff, and maybe change out the wheels. Not much you can do on a smaller truck, but looks clean overall. I'll give it a 7. I don't think there's any rust, or doesn't look like any clear coat peel or anything, but I'll go with the 7. Moving on to the next one. This is sent in by Cole. He's got like a 2010-ish style F-150. He is a local kid around my area. I like the stance of the truck. I would probably go aftermarket tail lights. I'm not sure about headlights if they're aftermarket. Probably something black to tie in, since it is a black truck and he's got black wheels. Tie in that black look. Looks like his windows are tinted already. I'd probably give it a 9. I don't know if it's lifted or not. It might be leveled. Not 100% sure. But I'd go with a 9. I would just change out those small light issues there. But I like this stance, like I said. But pretty clean looking truck. On to the next one. Sent in by Rob. He's got a 90s 454 single cab short bed. He's been to a car meet with me before. I would probably change out the headlights and then probably the taillights, but I love these trucks. I've always wanted a single cab short bed 454. They're super fun trucks, super fast. But yeah, I just changed out the headlights. I'll give it a 9. On to the next one. Sent in by That White 5.3. So basically it's a stock looking 5.3. Looks like he's got stock wheels, headlights, tail lights. Looks like the windows might be tinted a little bit. What I would do is probably change the wheels to black, since it is a white truck, along with the tail lights and the headlights go a black look. Maybe lift it I'd probably lift it maybe 2 inches and go like a 18x10 on it. I'll give it a 7 just because it's a bone stock truck. But yeah, we'll move on. This one is sent in by Blake Furlow. I'm guessing this is probably a 2007, 2008 style Chevy, lifted 6 inches. Looks like he's rocking XD series wheels, looks like. I'm guessing maybe like a 20 by 10, 20 by 12 with a 33 on it. Black headlights and taillights I would do. Since you got the black wheels, I'd probably throw a set of tow mirrors on it. Maybe do a tinted windshield and then paint your bow tie black, because I think it's like that baby, well, not really baby blue, it's like a gray blue looking color, so black would look good on that. But we'll move on. Next truck is Clay. He's got like a newer style 4th gen 1500. I like the looks of this truck because he's already got tinted taillights or aftermarket taillights. I like the wheel combo. I like that gunmetal gray look. He's got the black emblems. I honestly wouldn't change a thing on this truck. I would give it a 10 out of 10. The only thing I would change is if it was a Cummins instead of a 1500. But yeah, good looking truck, man. I'd still 10 out of 10. Next truck we have is a, I'm guessing it's a 2nd gen Cummins, probably 24 valve if I had to guess. I would probably do aftermarket wheels on it. Not a big fan of the stock dually wheels. Yeah, I mean, it's a clean looking truck. Doesn't look like there's much rust on it, but I would just change out the wheels. 9 out of 10. On to the next one. Here we have an 07 with a 14-inch BDS lift. He says it's got Fox 2.0 shocks with a 40 by 1550 20 Toyo's MT with fuels. That's a big truck for a 1500. I would change out headlights to black aftermarket. Looks like you already have aftermarket tail lights. Gonna be honest, dude, the truck kind of looks funny lifted that high, being a short bed. It'd probably look better if it was a long bed, but that's a big truck. Probably throw a set of tow mirrors on it as well, and then black out the bow tie. I'd give it an 8 out of 10 just because of the short bed, and then those small touches I would change. 3 more. This one here looks like a 97, 96 style 1500. It might be a 2500, not 100% sure. I like the stance. I like the wheels he's running with that silver look. I would probably color match the tow mirrors to it. I would probably paint the bow tie that silver to make it stand out a little bit more, and then change your headlights. But I'd give it an 8. I mean, it is a pretty clean looking truck. On to the next one. This is a, looks like an early 2000s Ford. It's got a pat cap on it. I would erase that, probably lift it 4 inches. Throw a set of 20 by 10s or 20 by 12s underneath of it. He said it's got 55,000 original miles on it, which that, I mean, helps out, but not a big fan of the pat cap, and it being a bone stock truck, probably go with a 7. Maybe a 6, just because if I got it, I'd have to change a little bit, but pretty clean truck for 55,000 miles and stuff. So last one is another 2nd gen, looks like a single cab short bed. He's got fender flares on it. Looks like you skipped leg day. Needs a set of 20 by 10s underneath of it with like 33s on it. I'd probably do a brow tint on your windshield. I'm guessing it's a 318 gas. I'd probably do straight pipes and stuff on it. I'd give it a 7 just because I would change a little bit. But yeah, there we go, guys. Thanks for sending in your trucks. I hope you like that. We'll probably do it again eventually. We are going to announce the giveaway winner on the 32-inch light bar and the 4 LED pods. So I'm going to go ahead and jump to that clip right now. Okay, everybody, so I have everyone's names entered in here. I'll scroll down so you can see. We had like 20 something entries in the total. We had some people buy some stuff offline, which gave them a little bit more than the one free entry. So I want to thank everybody again for entering, and we're going to go ahead and click the pick a random name, and we'll see who the winner is. There is your winner for the 32-inch. Okay, well, as you've seen, we did get our giveaway winner. Congratulations to our winner. My camera did die right after we picked the winner, so I had to change the batteries out real quick. But I want to thank everybody that entered. Thanks for sending in your truck pics, and we'll be sending out the 32-inch light bar and the 4 LED pods as soon as we get in contact with the winner. So I'm basically going to end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I just want to kind of do something since the weather outside. It's snowing. I don't even know how cold it is, but we're basically stuck in the house, so I want to do something. So congratulations again to our winner, and I'll see you guys the next time. Peace.